everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have so much energy and I'm so happy because we're gonna be unboxing a bunch of beautiful things that I just got from Sephora. A couple of them just got into the mail, and I have other ones that I have right here with me that I picked up myself. And let's just dive into this video. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup beauty videos and a little bit of fashion, and I would love to have you back, so please consider subscribe. I picked up these two products that By launched with their foundation. I did a review on the foundation and I'm gonna leave it here in the eye for you guys to see if you wanna go ahead and watch that video. But these two products are complementary for the foundation. This is the primer and this is the powder. And the primer comes in two different formulas. It comes in formula for dry skin and oily skin. So I definitely got mine for the oily skin types. This is how this one looks like. I'm definitely gonna let you know guys what I think about it. But for now, let's just open it and see how the formula feels in the skin. As you see, it looks creamy and it absorbs in the skin super fast. Leave it a little bit glowy as you see, and it's a little bit sticky. So this is an interesting formula. So it will help the foundation to stick to the face. I like it. Next, we have the powder. We have the powder in the shade Light 2. So I'm applying it in top of the primer. It looks seamless in my skin, so if you have the same skin or around the same color as me, this is going to look amazing. And I got two products from Huda Beauty. This is their super iconic Easy Bake Loose Powder, and I bought mine in the shade Banana Bread. And I saw the box, I was like, oh my god, it's broken. It comes like that. It says freshly baked. I'm pretty sure you already have seen this one, but I just never pulled the trigger with Huda Beauty that much. Basically, no, I didn't pull the trigger with Huda Beauty before. Like, I'm doing it now. But here's this powder, and people say that it's really nice. I have to come back to you with this one because I'm obviously not gonna use it now. But yeah, so I picked up this one. And with the same family of Huda Beauty, we have here a whole body highlighter. One of the things that I don't like about Huda Beauty is that a lot of the packaging is plastic. I don't like that. They could make this way more eco-friendly by making it with paper, with cardboard, right? This is completely very wasteful plastic. So here is this one. I have mine in the shade Luna. Again, I bought it because I really want to make this video, and I obviously didn't have this product, so let me show you how it looks like. If it, for any chance you haven't seen it, which is I doubt it because it's been all over the internet like forever. This is very liquid. I thought it was going to be thick. It's like running, but it's super shiny and it's super beautiful. I actually like how it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't transfer like the Fenty one. The Fenty one transfer all over the place, and that's why I return it. So hopefully this one doesn't do that, and I always also going to do the video about it, so I need it. Summer is around the corner. When we turn around, it's gonna be summer, so I definitely want to have a formula that it worked for me. Again, the Fenty one didn't work, so I wanted to give it a try to Huda Beauty. I couldn't resist it. I bought the Fenty mascara. This is the brand new mascara because I Am Black is the name, the color shade name. And look at how beautiful this packaging it is. Fenty always come out with this amazing packaging and amazing formulas, so it's rare that I don't like something from Fenty. It's it's weird. I try it at store, like very minimal, like just to see how it lies in the eye. But you know, I don't really like to use mascara from the try me section of Sephora because that's very delicate area of your face. But I try a little corner to see how it looked, and it's light and everything, and it looks so beautiful. The color was very rich and pigmented. I'm not gonna open it yet because I'm not ready to use it, but I'm gonna start using it probably in like a week or so, and I will definitely let you know what I think about it. But Fenty is always so good with their formulas. Like, they're working magic. They're working magic, and I cannot wait to start using this guy. And this is a brand new product from Natasha Denona. This is the Natasha Denona Lip Oh Phoria Gloss and Balm, and this is in the shade Mauve. And let me tell you, I tried this on store, and this is the most beautiful nude kind of like dark nude color, not that very bright nude. They have like a very pale, super pale nude color in there. This is the darker shade of nude, and it's the most beautiful lip gloss I ever had wear in my entire life. It's not sticky, guys. It's not sticky. They finally figured it out. We don't want sticky lips. We do not want sticky lips. This thing is not sticky at all. It's kind of like a lip balm with color and glossy. It's just perfect. I love this guy right here. I already tried it. As I said, this one is brand new, but it's the most beautiful, incredible formula. Natasha Denona is killing it with this formula because it's so beautiful. And again, no sticky. No sticky. It has a little minty scent to it, but it's not too bad. It's just the most beautiful new color ever. I love it. It's just super cute, and the formula is amazing. And here we have sunscreen. This is something that I really need a new one because the one that I'm using is from this brand, but it's tinted and it's a little bit getting, I don't know, it's oily a little bit, and it's about to expire. It has like maybe 2 or 3 more weeks and it has to be thrown away. But keep in mind that sunscreen expire, and it's extremely essential to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from the environment, from the sun and all that, and make sure that you don't get dark spots and God forbid cancer or anything like that. So definitely this is a sunscreen to try. I really like SUPERGOOP, and I always have good experience with them. I don't have anything bad to tell you about this brand. I mean, some of them are a little more greasy, some of them are a little more dry, so you have to kind of like see what is it you're looking into a sunscreen. And this is a clear formula. It feels like a primer that is sliced in your skin. It's kind of like this hydrating silicone primers. That's how it feels like. And as you see, it doesn't leave like a white cast or anything in the skin. It never was white, it was always clear, so that is a big, good, very good plus for dark skins, because a lot of these sunscreens will leave a white cast. Obviously people who have dark skin doesn't like it, and that's 100% understandable. They don't want to look that way. That doesn't look good. So if you have a little bit of dark skin, this is gonna be amazing for you. What is left in this bag are samples, so let's jump into the boxes and then we come back to the samples. We have 2 more HUDA beauty products in this box, and the first one, let's talk about this. It is so hilarious. This is so funny. Alright, so it is a duo of a lip liner and a lipstick. Lip liner name is Partner in Crime. I mean, I picked it up, but it's a pretty dark nude color. The lipstick is a matte lipstick formula Girls Trip, and here is the lipstick. It seems like a little dry formula for my liking, but hopefully it's not extremely dark that it just doesn't slice properly on my lips. But it's a pretty color though, and especially with that lip liner that is a little darker than it, so it will help to make it look a little bit darker and more contour. Next we have the lashes. This is the Kahlana number 21st or 21. So these are the lashes. As you see, they start smaller in the inner corner and they get bigger and bigger towards the end of the tail of the eye, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So I picked up this Sephora set for falsies. This little scissor here for trimming them, because sometimes you have to trim them, sometimes they are too big for you. And also here the applicator of lashes and a little bit of a glue. And last but not least, we have here KOSAS. We have a little wet lip oil gloss. Here is the actual product. It's so cute. I love the packaging. The formula is super hydrating. It has a lot of good oils for your skin, your lip skin. So beautiful. I love the packaging. As you see, it has these little guys right here. It's just so cute. Again, I tried in the store and I really like the formula. Is super glossy, super smooth, super oily, and oily not in the bad sense. It's a very nice formula. This one is in the shade Jellywish. They have other ones with color, but I'd rather this one without any color on it. Oh, very minimal, let's call it. It's right there, you see, it's super glossy, super beautiful. It's a little bit sticky, but it's not uncomfortable sticky. I have an extra bonus from Beautylish. Let me show you what I got from Beautylish. This is a product that I really wanted, and it just sold out like this. Now you're gonna see what it is. I'm opening it with you, so I haven't even seen it either. It just got here. It was packed by Christy in Philadelphia, and here is the product. So they come in this little guy right here. Do you guess what it is? Let's open it up and see. And I thought it would come in a package. Not the best packaging ever for such expensive brushes. But here we have the Sonia G brushes. Oh my god, I've been waiting to get these guys since forever. I wanted them and I wasn't sure because they're a little bit expensive, but they're made in Japan. So I was like, oh man, I want them. And then when I went back to Beautylish, they were sold out. I had no words to say. I'm definitely gonna try them tomorrow, and I will let you know, guys, what I think about them. But they are so beautiful. Love that blue black color, is so stunning. And those are the Sky Eye set, if I didn't mention. They don't come yet individually, they come in a set, and they're probably already sold out again. So if you wanna have notifications about this product, you will have to go to Beautylish and ask them to notify you every time that this product comes back in stock. I know, a pain in the butt, but they are handmade, so it takes long to make them. I'm not gonna bore you with the samples. I'm only gonna show you the ones that I'm really excited to try, even though they're little samples. Some of the samples, I don't really care about them. They just throw in there, or they ask you what you want and I'm just pick anything. But these ones, the ones that I'm gonna show are the ones that I'm very excited to try, so I'm just gonna show you those ones first. I ended getting 2 sets of the Tasha. This is the little Tasha. I think this is the water cream and the oil for cleansing. Let me open one of these. They are worth 300 points and they were available at store and online. I don't know if they're gonna be available now when you see this video, but they were available when I bought these things. So yes, I was right. This is the deep cleanser and this is the water cream. So I have 2 of these little guys, which I love. I would love to make a video about Tasha. So if I end up doing that, definitely this will help me to try the product without having to spend that much money in the actual product. So these 2 little guys definitely gonna stay here for a future video, hopefully featuring Tasha. And I got a sample of the Fenty mascara right here, this little guy. Super cute. I am excited of having the actual product, the actual big size, but nevertheless, if you want to try the formula first before actually buying it, you have the chance and the opportunity to do it with this little guy right here. I'm definitely happy to receive this product because I don't want to spend $20-30 in a primer that I'm not sure if I'm gonna like. So like this, I can try it for 2 or 3 days and see if I like it. I have tons and tons of primers, so I don't need to buy anything just to see if I might like it. Oh yeah, you can return it, but that is not the right way to do things. It's better that you try it a little bit and then decide if you really like it, especially with products like this. I mean, if you are not close to a Sephora and you are not making an order or it's not available in a little sample, then if you really want it, that's okay, that's up to you. That's just my personal opinion. I think I spent 500 points to get these 2 beautiful products from Olaplex. And this is the number 3. This is basically a treatment for your hair to make it stronger. And each sample is 1 ounce fluid. So this is actually a very good deal. Since the actual bottle, this is number 6, but I'm pretty sure almost all of them have the same amount of product. This one has 3.3 ounces. So in these little guys right here, I have 2 ounces, almost a bottle. I also got a Cover FX little setting spray. I don't think I have this one. I think I have another one. I'm not sure. Yeah, this one is a different one. This is the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. So I definitely want to try this one and see how it works. I really like setting sprays. They definitely help my mixed combo skin type to hold all the makeup all day long. So I definitely like to try new ones and see how they work. Alright guys, those are the products that I bought for my collection in the month of March. I definitely have to wait for April a little towards the end because we're gonna have the Sephora VIP sale, so I have to wait for that one. And if you like high-end makeup beauty videos, please consider subscribe to my channel. I also make a little bit of fashion here and there. Also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Make me a comment down below what do you think about these products, which of these products you already have and you love or you hate, or which one of these ones you wanna pick up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Second samples. Ooh. Ooh.